My dear students, welcome to my class. My today's session is on voice and it is part 2. Today's first rule is on interrogative sentence. You know that there are several kinds of interrogative sentence. So, there are several rules to change them into passive, such as normal interrogative sentence, who added interrogative sentence, what added interrogative sentence, etc. You can see there is a normal interrogative sentence on the screen, that is, have you eaten rice? For your better understanding, first turn the interrogative sentence into assertive sentence and then make the passive form of the assertive sentence and make then the interrogative form of the passive sentence. It is just for your understanding. Okay, now the assertive form of the sentence is you have eaten rice. Now I am making it passive, that is, rice has been eaten by you. And then I am making interrogative of this passive form, that is, has rice been eaten by you. So this is the easy way to make interrogative sentence turn into passive form. Okay. Another example for you. Did you play football? Make it assertive. You played football. Then make it passive. Football was played by you. Then make it interrogative. Was football played by you? I think it is clear to you what I am telling to you, that make interrogative sentence assertive and make the assertive passive and then make it interrogative. Now another kind of interrogative sentence, that is who added interrogative sentence. The structure of this kind of interrogative sentence to make passive is by whom plus auxiliary verb plus subject, that is the object of the active sentence, then be or being or been according to the tense, plus V3 plus object, that is actually the subject of the given sentence. Example, who is calling me? Passive, by whom am I being called? Another example, who has broken the glass? By whom has the glass been broken? Another example, who will help me? Who will help you? By whom will you be helped? I hope it is now clear to you how to make who added interrogative sentence into passive. Now another kind of interrogative sentence, that is whom added interrogative sentence. How to make passive whom added interrogative sentence. So the structure is who plus auxiliary verb plus be, being or been according to the tense plus V3 plus object. Example, whom did you see on the road? Passive, who was seen by you on the road. Now another kind of interrogative sentence, that is what added interrogative sentence. If you get what added interrogative sentence, how will you make it passive? So the structure is what plus auxiliary verb plus be, being or been according to the tense plus V3 plus object. Example, what has he done? Passive, what has been done by him. I have discussed 4 kinds of interrogative sentence, that is normal interrogative sentence, who added interrogative sentence, whom added interrogative sentence, and what added interrogative sentence. Hope you understood, and I think there may be not any confusion about interrogative sentence to make it into passive. Now another kind of sentence to make passive, that is present participle added sentence. I am giving you the example of the sentence. I saw him reading a book. Structure, subject plus auxiliary verb plus V3 plus present participle added proportion of the sentence plus by plus object. Example, I saw him reading a book. Passive, he was seen reading a book by me. Now another rule, double object added sentence. If you get double object in a sentence, then what will you do to make it into passive? I am giving an example first. I gave him a book. Notice one thing, that there are 2 objects in this sentence. If you get this kind of sentence, then what will you do? I am telling the structure. Choose one object as subject. You can choose one object as subject according to your choice. Okay, then auxiliary verb according to the subject plus V3 plus another object plus by plus object, that is actually the subject of the sentence. I am giving the example. I gave him a book. First, I am taking him as subject, so the passive will be he was given a book by me, and then I am taking a book as subject. A book was given him by me. So this was the rule. How will you change active into passive if you get double object in a sentence? I am giving another example for you to make it more clear. The headmaster teaches us English. Passive, we are taught English by the headmaster, and another object I am taking as subject, that is English is taught to us by the headmaster. Now another rule, this is the voice change of compound and complex sentence. How will you change the voice of compound and complex sentence? In this case, You have to change both the clauses. You have to change the voice of both the clauses. And in case of complex sentence, an introductory it will be taken for the principal clause. I am giving the example, then it will be more clear to you. I know that he did the work. It is known to me that the work was done by him. Complex sentence is changed in another way, that is, you have to take the relative pronoun first. I am giving the example that the work was done by him is known to me. So this is another rule to change complex sentence. I am giving another example of complex sentence. He told me that he had done the work. Passive. I was told that the work had been done by him. Or you can change it in another way to take the relative pronoun first. That the work had been done by him was told me. By him in bracket. Now I am giving an example of compound sentence, how to change the voice of compound sentence. That I have told you, you have to change both the clauses. They searched the house and found a number of stolen goods. Passive. The house was searched and a number of goods were found. So this is the change of compound sentence, active into passive. Hope you understood, and this was my today's session on voice. If you like my class, please subscribe the channel. Thanks to all.